A volcano on the Italian island of Stromboli erupted on Sunday morning, unleashing a dramatic plume of smoke and a lava flow that reached the sea. The eruptive phase at Stromboli led to partial collapse of the crater core, and lava flows caused by the collapse of material from the crater rim generated a 3-minute seismic signal recorded by the seismic network. The National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology research body posted the footage and images of the natural phenomenon, stating pyroclastic flows and lava overflow on the Sciara del Fuoco of Stromboli, the 9th of October 2022. The Stromboli Volcano, located in southern Italy off the Sicilian coast, is constantly active with minor eruptions, often visible from many points on the island and from the surrounding sea. Giving rise to the island's nickname Lighthouse of the Mediterranean, it has been erupting almost continuous.